Two-factor authentication not working on Kubera Wealth Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on Kubera Wealth, it can feel frustrating, especially when you're trying to check your portfolio or link new accounts. But don't worry, because the solution is usually simple and takes just a few minutes to fix. Kubera uses bank-grade security powered by data aggregators, meaning any small issue in syncing or device settings can block your two-factor authentication. Here's how to get it working again. Step 1. Check your device time. Go to Settings and enable Set Time automatically. Two-factor codes rely on exact timing, and even being off by a few seconds can cause the system to reject your verification. Step 2. Update your authenticator app or some settings. If you're not receiving verification texts, toggle airplane mode, turn off your PIN, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Sometimes network carriers filter out automated messages. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, make sure it syncs to your current time. Most apps include a resync time for codes option that instantly corrects mismatched tokens. Also, update the Kubera Wealth app or refresh your browser. Older versions may not handle modern faux encryption properly, especially if you recently changed devices or operating systems. If you still can't log in, click Can't Access Two-Factor to reauthorize your account. This will walk you through a secure recovery process without losing any of your financial data. Finally, clear your app or browser cache and restart your device. Hash sessions can block for responses without you realizing it. Once you've synced your device and updated your apps, your Kubera Wealth login should work flawlessly again. Two-factor authentication is a small step, but it plays a big role in protecting your investments. Fix it once, and you'll keep your financial data safe and secure for the long term.